Now next question, find the distance of the line. Distance of this line from the point 1, 2 along the line 2x minus 2 equal to 0. Say here this is a line. Suppose I am taking this line is 4x plus 7y plus 5 equal to 0, and a point is given 1, 2. 1, 2 point, it doesn't lie on this line, because if you keep here coordinates of this point 1, 2, so putting here 1, 4 into 1 is 4 plus 7 into 2, 14. 4 plus 14 plus 5 is not equal to 0. This equation is not satisfied. So this point does not lie on this line. It is an exterior point, maybe somewhere here. So here point P12 does not lie on 4x plus 7y plus 5 equal to 0. Now we need distance of this line from this point, but we are not asked perpendicular distance. Distance is along the line 2x minus y equal to 0. Along the line 2x minus y equal to 0, that means if this line, second line, is not a perpendicular line, then along the line, that means cross distance. Say, look here, 1, 2, if you keep here 1, 2, so this equation is satisfied. So 1, 2 lies on this line. So 1, 2 lies on this line. So I am taking, suppose this is the line including 1, 2, it is 2x minus y equal to 0. So distance of this line from this point along this line, that means we are asked this distance PQ. This is required. For that, we want coordinates of Q. And say, here 1, 2 lies on this 2x minus y equal to 0. That's why when taking this line, I have included 1, 2. Otherwise, if here this constant is changed, instead of 0, if some any other number is given, then 1, 2 may not satisfy that equation. In that case, 1, 2 we have to keep as an exterior point. So that equation represents a line not including this point. In that case, you have to draw line excluding P like this. But because it includes 1, 2, we are taking by this way. So now you can see that picture is clear. Because this line is given, equations are given, only required thing is point of intersection. So here point P 1, 2, coordinates of 1, 2 satisfies (2x minus y equal to 0). Therefore P12 lies on 2x minus y equal to 0. So from diagram, both lines are intersecting. From diagram, PQ is the required distance. PQ is required distance. And to find this PQ required distance, we have to find Q. So to find coordinates of Q, we solve these two equations. So solving equations 4x plus 7y plus 5 equal to 0 and 2x minus y equal to 0. We can solve this by elimination method, or you can solve by substituting method. Here we can put value of y from second equation into first equation. See, here it is clear that y is 2x. So here we can put 2x. So here putting y equal to 2x in 4x plus 7y plus 5 equal to 0, 4x plus 7 into 2x 14x plus 5 equal to 0. So 18x is equal to minus 5. So x is minus 5 by 18. X is minus 5 by 18. So putting this value here, 2 into minus 5 by 18 minus y is 0. So y is equal to minus 5 by 9. So y is minus 5 by 9. So therefore, these are coordinates of intersection point Q. Coordinates of intersection of both lines. So coordinates of Q are, therefore Q is minus 5 by 18 minus 5 by 9. And required distance is PQ is equal to square root of, using distance formula, P is 1 2, this is Q. So x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. It is equal to square root of, this is 18 plus 5, 23 upon 18 square plus 18 plus 5, 23 upon 9 square. So this is square root of, now 23 square plus, here this can be expressed as 23 into 2 square upon 18 square. We are making denominator same. This is 18, so I have made here 18. So multiply, divide by 2. So 23 into 2. So now square root of, now 23 square is common, upon 18 square into bracket 1 plus 2 square is 4. So this is 4 plus 1 5. This is 23 by 18 root 5. So this is required distance. It is distance along 2x minus y equal to 0. Say here, next question. Find the direction in which a straight line must be drawn through the point minus 1 2 so that its point of intersection with the line x plus y equal to 4 may be at a distance of 3 units from this point. So here, suppose this point is, I am taking a minus 1 2. From A, I am taking a line. whose direction we don't know. Direction means slope. Suppose slope is m. Now this line intersect x plus y equal to 4. This line intersect x plus y equal to 4. Suppose this line x plus y equal to 4. At distance 3 units from this point. So this distance is 3 units. Suppose point of intersection is Q. So here question is, find the direction of this line which intersects x plus y equal to 4 at a distance 3 units. So now see, here this distance is given, that means distance formula will be used, and to use distance formula we must have coordinates of Q, and Q is point of intersection. So we have to find point of intersection of both the lines, and to find point of intersection we must have equations of both the lines. Here already we are having equation, we don't have equation of this line, but using this given point and slope we can find equation of this line. So first of all I am writing equation of this line using slope m. So say here, let m be the slope of required line passing through -1, 2. So its equation is, therefore its equation is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. So that is, we can put this as y equal to mx plus m plus 2. Let me say this is equation 1. Now this line intersects x plus y equal to 4. So it intersects x plus y equal to 4. That is y equal to 4 minus x. So this is equation of second line. This is equation of first line. Now we solve equation 1 and 2 to obtain point of intersection. So to obtain point of intersection, point Q, we solve equations 1 and 2. So now we solve these two equations. So directly we are comparing values of y. So mx plus m plus 2 is 4 minus x. Value of y from equation 1, value of y from equation 2. Therefore, see, mx plus x is 4 minus 2 minus m. So m plus 1 into x is 2 minus m. So x is 2 minus m upon m plus 1. So this is x coordinate of point of intersection. Now putting this in equation 1, y is 4 minus x. X means 2 minus m upon m plus 1. So y is equal to m plus 1 LCM, 4m plus 4 minus 2 plus m. So this is 5m plus 2. Therefore, y is 5m plus 2 upon m plus 1. So we have point of intersection Q. Q is, its x coordinate is 2 minus m upon m plus 1 and its y coordinate is 5m plus 2 upon m plus 1. Now after getting Q, we use distance formula. Now AQ is 3 units given. AQ is 3 units, so AQ square is 9. AQ square is 9, so now using distance formula, let me say this number is x1 y1, this number is x2 y2. So x1 minus x2 square, 2 minus m upon m plus 1, x1 minus x2 square plus y1 minus y2 square equal to 9. So that is, taking here LCM, m plus 1, 2 minus m plus m plus 1 plus, here LCM is m plus 1, 5m plus 2 minus 2m minus 2 whole square is 9. Here this 2 is cancelled. Here is cancelled. So 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 square is 9. 9 by m plus 1 whole square plus, here 5m minus 2m is 3m. 3m square is 9m square upon m plus 1 whole square equal to 9. Now simplifying this, 9 plus 9m square is, this number will be multiplied with 9 equal to 9 into m square plus 2m plus 1. So that is 9 plus 9m square is 9m square plus 18m plus 9. 9m square cancel. This 9 is also cancelled. So 18m is 0. So m is 0. That means slope of that line passing from minus 1 to is having slope 0. Slope 0 means it is a horizontal line parallel to x-axis. Therefore line passing from minus 1 to is having slope 0, that means it is parallel to x-axis, or it cannot be x-axis because point doesn't lie on x-axis. Minus 1 2 is not a point on x-axis. So passing from this point and the slope is 0, that means it is horizontal line or parallel to x-axis. So line passing through minus 1 2 is parallel to x-axis or horizontal line. So these words define direction of that line. Find the image of the point 3 8 with respect to the line x plus 3y equal to 7, assuming the line to be a plane mirror. So here given line is x plus 3y equal to 7 and a point is given. Suppose point is 3 8. Say 3 8 does not satisfy this equation. If you keep x here 3 and y 8, then LHS is not RHS. So this does not satisfy this line. So it is an exterior point. Now question is, find image of this point with respect to this line, assuming the line to be mirror. So if this is a mirror and this is object, then we know that taking perpendicular, this is a distance of object from mirror, and image is exactly on opposite side, exactly on opposite side at equal distance. Here there is image, suppose it is P dash, let me say AB. So M is midpoint. So here let P dash AB be the image of point P 38 through the line x plus 3y equal to 7. So we want coordinates of P dash. Now see, from this diagram, M is midpoint of P dash. M is midpoint of P dash. So using coordinates of P and P dash, we can calculate coordinates of M. Here M is the midpoint of P dash. So coordinates of M, therefore coordinates of M is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Now this point lies on this line, it lies on x plus 3y equal to 7. Because M lies on this line, coordinates of M will satisfy equation of this line. So therefore, putting x equal to 3 plus a by 2 and y equal to 8 plus b by 2, x plus 3y equal to 7. So these coordinates we are putting in this equation. So therefore 3 plus a plus 24 plus 3b equal to 14. Therefore a plus 3b, 3 plus 24 is 27, 27 minus 14 is 13 equal to 0. So this is a relation between A and B. So this first relation we obtained from midpoint lies on line, and distance of object from mirror is equal to distance of its image from mirror. These are equal distance. Means here we are using principle of physics that distance of image of any object is exactly at equal distance on opposite side. Now we need one more relation relating A and B. So second point we use here is that these are perpendicular. So slope of this line into slope of this line is -1. Now here P dash, this line or line segment is perpendicular to x plus 3y equal to 7. So slope of P dash into slope of line x plus 3y equal to 7 is -1. Now slope of P dash, so y1 minus y2, y1 minus y2 upon x1 minus x2, y1 minus y2 upon x1 minus x2, that is slope of P dash into slope of this line is, slope of this line is minus 1 by 3. Minus 1 by 3 equal to minus 1. This minus minus will be cancelled. So b minus 8 upon 3a minus 9 is 1. 3 is multiplied with this number. So b minus 8. Therefore, so here b minus 8 equal to 3a minus 9. That is 3a minus b minus 1 equal to 0. 3a minus b, 8 minus 9 is minus 1 equal to 0. So this is second equation. Now we solve these two equations. So solving 1 and 2, we can get value of small a and small b. So here a plus 3b plus 13 equal to 0. This is 3a minus b minus 1 equal to 0. So what we do? This equation I am multiplying by 3. This equation I am keeping as it is. A plus 3b plus 13 is 0. This I am multiplying by 3. So 9a minus 3b minus 3 is 0. Taking addition, this will be cancelled. 10a plus 10 is 0. So a is minus 1. A minus 1 putting in equation 1. Putting in equation 1 or put in equation 2. Keep in any one equation. So a is minus 1 plus 3b plus 13 is 0. So 3b is minus 12. So b is minus 4. So therefore required image is minus 1 minus 4. It is image of given point 3, 8. So here a question is, if the lines y equal to 3x plus 1 and 2y equal to x plus 3 are equally inclined to the line y equal to mx plus 4, then find value of m. That means angle between these two lines is equal to angle between these two lines. So find m. So say here y equal to 3x plus 1. This is first line. Its slope is let me say m1. Slope m1 equal to 3. Its slope is 3. Y equal to mx plus c forms. The slope is 3. Second line is 2y equal to x plus 3. That means y is equal to 1 by 2x plus 3 by 2. So here slope, let me say its slope is m2. m2 is 1 by 2. Y equal to mx plus c. So m is 1 by 2. This is line 1. This is line 2. And third line is y equal to mx plus 4. Its slope is m. Now given that angle between line 1 and line 3 and line 3 is equal to angle between line 2 and line 3. So this line is making whatever angle with third line, same angle will be made by second line with this line. So angle between 1 and 3 equal to angle between 2 and 3. That means if we say alpha equal to beta, alpha is angle between line 1 and line 3, beta is angle between line 2 and line 3. So alpha equal to beta, therefore tan alpha equal to tan beta. Now tan alpha is modulus. Now we are using these two values. Modulus m1 minus m2. m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 m2. Tan beta, that is beta is angle between these two lines. So tan beta is modulus m1 minus m2. m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 into m2. This is common line. So that means, this implies, now m1 is 3, 3 minus m upon 1 plus 3m equal to m2 is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 minus m upon 1 plus 1 by 2m. That is modulus 3 minus m upon 1 plus 3m is 1 minus 2m upon 2 plus m. Now removing modulus 3 minus m upon 1 plus 3m is equal to plus minus 1 minus 2m upon 2 plus m. Now we take cases. Case 1. Case 1 is 3 minus m upon 1 plus 3m is equal to 1 minus 2m upon 2 plus m. In case 1 I consider positive sign. Then in case 2 we will consider negative sign. So let me finish case 1. So 3 minus m into 2 plus m equal to 1 minus 2m into 1 plus 3m. That is 3 into 2 6 plus 3m minus 2m minus m square equal to 1 plus 3m minus 2m minus 6m square. That is, now see, minus 6m square I am taking on this side. So 6m square minus m square, that is 5m square. 3m minus 2m is plus m. M, this side m. So this is cancelled. So m square is equal to 1 minus 6 is minus 5. So m square is minus 1. This is not possible. It is impossible. Square of any real number cannot be negative. So this case is not possible. Now we take case 2. Case 2, 3 minus m upon 1 plus 3m is equal to minus 1 minus 2m upon 2 plus m. Case 2. That is 3 minus m upon 1 plus 3m is equal to here 2m minus 1 upon 2 plus m. Changing this sign here. Now simplifying this, 3 minus m into 2 plus m equal to 2m minus 1 into 1 plus 3m. That is 3 into 2 6 plus 3m minus 2m, that is m. 3m minus 2m, that is plus m, minus m square equal to 2m into 1 2m plus 6m square minus 1 minus 3m. So that is here 6m square. 6 plus m minus m square is 6m square minus m minus 1. Taking this number on this side, 7m square minus 2m minus m minus m minus 2m minus 7 equal to 0. Now discriminant. Say here factorization is not possible. So discriminant b square minus 4a into c. C is minus 7. B square minus 4ac. So this is minus 49. 49 into 4, 198. So minus 2 square is 4 plus 49. 49 into 4, 98 into 2, 196. So this is 200. Discriminant is positive. So m is equal to minus b plus minus root d upon 2 into a. So it is 2 plus minus, this is 10 root 2. 100 into 2, square root of 100 is 10 upon 2 into 7. So therefore m is equal to 1 plus minus 5 root 2 upon 7. So these are values of m. Find equation of the line which is equidistant from these two parallel lines. Say here 9x plus 6y minus 7 equal to 0. This is first line. And second line is 3x plus 2y plus 6 equal to 0. Now observe second equation. See here you can see that ratio of coefficients of x and y is same. So we can convert this coefficient into the same form which are in first equation. So this second equation we are multiplying. Second equation we are multiplying by 3. So it will be 9x plus 6y plus 18 equal to 0. So these are parallel lines. So 1 and 2 are parallel lines. This is line 1 and this is line 2. This is 9x plus 6y minus 7 equal to 0. 9x plus 6y minus plus 18 equal to 0. These are parallel lines. Now we need a third line which is equidistant from these two parallel lines. So suppose that this is required third line. It is required line. And because it will be equidistant from both lines, here this distance is same, perpendicular distance between required line and first line equal to required line and second line are same. And because required line is also a parallel to this two, its equation can be written as 9x plus 6y. See, coefficients of x and y remain same. 9x plus 6y. Only constant will be differed. Here constant is minus 7, here constant is plus 18. So here constant will be, suppose I take c equal to 0. C is different from minus 7 and 18. So let the equation of required line be 9x plus 6y plus c equal to 0. This is equation 3. Now given that distance between line 1 and line 3 is equal to distance between line 2 and line 3. So applying formula, distance between two parallel lines, formula was modulus C1 minus C2 upon root A square plus B square. So see, C1 minus C2, C1 minus C2, C1 minus C2 is suppose minus 7 upon square root of A square plus B square. On other side, distance between line 2 and line 3. So again, modulus, if this number is C and this number is C1, this number is C2, so modulus C1 minus C2, so C minus 18 upon root A square plus B square. Now this will be cancelled. So that means modulus C plus 7 equal to modulus C minus 18. Now removing modulus, C plus 7 equal to plus or minus C minus 18. That is, C plus 7 is C minus 18, or C plus 7 is minus of C minus 18. This means 7 equal to minus 18. This is not possible. Or here C plus 7 is minus C plus 18. So this side 2C is 25. Sorry, 18 minus 7 is 11. So C is 11 by 2. So required equation is 9x plus 6y, 9x plus 6y plus c, what is c? 11 by 2 equal to 0. That is 18x plus 12y plus 11 equal to 0. It is equation of required line. A ray of light passing through the point 1, 2. Suppose this line is x-axis. Here we take a point 1, 2. This point is 1, 2. Ray of light passing through 1, 2 and coming towards x-axis. It reflects on x-axis at point A, and reflected ray, this is reflected ray, passes through the point 5, 3. Suppose somewhere here point is 5, 3. Let me say this point is A, this point is B. So this ray passing from 1, 2 and it is reflected at x-axis at point A, and this is reflected ray. So by the principle of physics, here angle made by this reflected ray with the positive x-axis, it will be equal to same angle made by this ray coming towards x-axis, and angle with negative x-axis, these angles will be same. If this angle is theta, so this will be theta. So from diagram, From diagram it is clear that angle here because A is given, I should differ symbol. Suppose I take here symbol P and this point is Q. We have to change the symbol. So angle PA, I put here x dash, PAX dash, PAX dash equal to angle QAX. Suppose that this angle is theta. PAX dash equal to QAX, this angle is theta. So say slope of this line AQ, slope of line AQ is equal to, now we calculate slope from these 2 points. Suppose because this point is on x-axis, let me take coordinates A0. This point is A0, so slope of AQ is y2 minus y1, y2 minus y1 upon y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. That is, now slope of AQ, so it is tan theta. So this can be written as tan theta. Slope is tangent of angle of inclination. So tan theta is equal to 3 upon 5 minus a. Let me say this is equation 1. Now slope of ray PA, slope of line PA or ray PA, slope of line PA or ray PA is equal to, consider these 2 points. Slope of PA is 2 minus 0, y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So slope using 2 points, but we are also having this angle. See here, this angle will be pi minus theta. So this is pi minus theta. So slope of this line will be tan of inclination. What is inclination? Pi minus theta. So tan of pi minus theta is 2 minus 0, 2 upon 1 minus a. So in this question we are applying 2 methods to calculate slope. On the right hand side, here we are using 2 points to calculate slope, and here we use tangent of inclination. So tan of pi minus theta is minus tan theta equal to 2 upon 1 minus a. So tan theta is 2 upon a minus 1. This is result 2. Now we compare 1 and 2. From 1 and 2, 3 upon 5 minus a is 2 upon a minus 1. Therefore 3a minus 3 equal to 5 into 2, 10 minus 2a. Therefore 3a plus 2a is 5a is 13. So a is 13 by 5. So coordinates of a, therefore question was find coordinates of a. So coordinates of a 13 by 5 comma 0. And see, already here a lies on x-axis. So we take coordinates of a 0 because it is on x-axis. And these 2 angles we are taking same. That is from principle of physics. Now next question. A person standing at the junction of 2 straight paths represented by the equations 2x minus 3y plus 4 equal to 0 and 3x plus 4y minus 5 equal to 0. Suppose equation of this path is 2x minus 3y plus 4 equal to 0. Equation of this path is 3x plus 4y minus 5 equal to 0, and man is standing at cross point. It is standing at the crossing or at the junction of these two paths. So first of all we find location, means coordinates of this point. So here we solve these equations. 2x minus 3y plus 4 equal to 0 and 3x plus 4y minus 5 equal to 0. Observe these equations. We want to solve this to obtain location of junction. Here this is minus 3y, this is plus 4y. So this equation I am multiplying by 4 and this I am multiplying by 3. So multiplying this by 4, so 8x minus 12y plus 16 is 0. And multiplying second equation by 3, so 9x plus 12y minus 15 is 0. So adding these equations, this will be cancelled. So 17x plus 1 is 0, so x is minus 1 by 17. Putting this value in second equation or first koi bhi in any equation we can put. So put in this equation 2x minus 3y plus 4 equal to 0. So putting here x equal to minus 1 by 17 minus 2 by 17 minus 3y plus 4 is 0. So 3y is equal to minus 2 by 17 plus 4. So 3y is, this is 68, 68 minus 2, 66, 66 by 17. So y is equal to, therefore y is 22 by 17. Therefore coordinates of junction point are x coordinate is minus 1 by 17, y coordinate is 22 by 17. So we have obtained coordinates of this point. Now man wants to reach the path whose equation is 6x minus 7y plus 8 equal to 0 in the least time. From this point he want to reach on a third path in the least time. Equation of third path is given 6x minus 7y plus 8 equal to 0. Suppose here this is equation of third path. Its equation is 6x minus 7y plus 8 equal to 0. Suppose equation of third path is 6x minus 7y plus 8 equal to 0. Now from this point a man wants to reach on this path but in the least time. So if he choose this path to reach on this third path from this point of junction, or if he choose this path to reach here. So if you take perpendicular path, if he choose perpendicular path to reach on this third path, this way takes minimum time. So that means to reach in the minimum time or least time, he has to move in this direction. So we want equation of this line, and to find equation of this line, already we are having coordinates of this point. This is minus 1 by 17 comma 22 by 17. Let me say this point is A. So let A be minus 1 by 17, 22 by 17. Suppose that if taking perpendicular from A to this line, if M is the foot of perpendicular, if AM is perpendicular to 6x minus 7y, 6x minus 7y plus 8 equal to 0, then path AM, this third path AM takes least time. It takes least time to reach on destination. So we want equation of line AM, and to find equation of line AM, we find slope of AM, and for slope of AM, we find slope of this line. So slope of here, slope of 6x minus 7y plus 8 equal to 0 is minus A by B, 6 by minus 7, that is 6 by 7. Therefore, slope of AM is, because AM is perpendicular, take reciprocal and change sign, so minus 7 by 6, and hence equation of that minimum path is y minus y1, y1 is 22 by 17 equal to m into x minus x1, x1 is 1 by 17. So that is 17y minus 22 by 17 is equal to minus 7 by 6 into 17x plus 1 by 17. This 17 will be cancelled. That is 7 into 6, 102y minus 132 is equal to minus 119x, 17 into 7, 10 into 7, 70, 70 plus 49, 119 minus 7. Therefore, 119x plus 102y is equal to 132 minus 7 is 125. This is required equation.